So we let it sit for a second with the ignition just simply on without turning the ignition off. Seems like the tach is working. I think we do hear the fuel pump now. I did go up to the top and press the fuel rail, which there didn't seem to be anything in it, so once again we'll crank it. I get nothing, so we got good power, so let's turn the ignition off. I don't smell any fuel. Oh wait, a little bit. Yeah, I smell fuel. Okay, so let's prime it, turn it off, prime it again. Oh wow. Yeah, I see what he's saying. Okay, now we see the symptom. So what do we think that is, crank? I think that's crank sensor. That's a good one. Yeah, it's getting fuel. Yeah, I think the crank sensor should be moving a lot more than that. So I think that's a crank sensor. Yeah, we definitely got fuel. Lots of fuel. You can smell it, boy. Yeah, so we got plenty of fuel in there, no doubt. We should have a lot of pressure built up in the rail now. Let's take a little test and see. And that release is the exact same thing that contour is doing that we just did the timing on. Yeah, and we got fuel. So that most likely means crank sensor, I would happen to think. Alrighty, let's take the air intake off. But it sounds like a different kind of fucking cranking noise though, so I don't know. That is odd. It's almost like skipping, like ding 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 ding. I don't know if something didn't break down in the engine, but I think that might be crank sensor because it just sounds like it's skipping. Or it's kind of sputtering but doing nothing else. I don't know. That's weird. But it did fire up fine, so the symptom's been doing it, so I really think it's a crank sensor.